Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second puzzle. A four-star Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper on a Tuesday, Tuesday, April the 12th, 2022. In this additional, we have 9 puzzles. Sudoku with 1 star, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars. Then we have 2 tectonics, tectonic with 4 stars, and tectonic with 1 star. A killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. Binary puzzle, we have 2 of them. Binary or puzzle number 1 and binary puzzle number 2. I won't do them all, only 5 of them I will solve. Well, the first one was a tough one. The 3 stars seems to be a 4 stars because it took me more than 37 minutes to solve. So let me see with this 4 stars puzzle, and this will be number 4396. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, for a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, I hope this indication is a right one, because the last one I need more time. Alright, so let's get started. I see a lot of 8s. So let me start with the 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Oh, there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see that 8, no 8 there, here and 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Wow, this one is faster than the previous one. We have a 2 in this row, a 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. All right. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We see here 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. Here 2 in the second column, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this first row, 2 in the third row. So the row between the second row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see that 2, no 2 there, here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 2. I need to wait for more information. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5 in the middle row, so no 5 in these 3 boxes. Here 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. And we have a pair. 4 and a 5 in this column. 4 and a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 4 and a 5. 4 and the 5. All right. Then. Let me see. 4. 1. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2. The 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Oh, wait, 999, 66. 4, 4, 2, 8. No. Need to wait. 4, 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see that 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4, 4. Here should be the 4. Yeah. In this row, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4 in this row. Well, here cannot be a 4. We already have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here also a 4 in this column, no 4 there. Here 4 in this column, so no 4 there. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? Then I'm expecting a lot of pairs. 1, 2, 4, 4, 3 should be here. 3, 4, 7. Yeah. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers in this big square. We have here the pair 4 and a 5. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 3. We see here 3 in this column, so no 3 in this box. So the 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 3 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And we have a pair 3 and a 6 in this row, 3 and a 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places left for the 3 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 3 and a 6. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and 4, 7 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and 4. That means we have 2 missing numbers in this row. For the numbers 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Then 2 numbers left in the second row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. From the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. Do we have all the 6s? No, I've marked those two boxes with a 3 and a 6. Now we have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 3 goes there. 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So the third column, only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, here, 6, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 6. Okay. Then. How about? Let me see. We have a 3 here. Can I do it? 3? No, 3. No. Thinking. 5. How about the 4 then? 4. 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. The 1, 7 and 5. 1, 7, 5. 5. We have a pair. 5 and a 2 in this row. 5 and a 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair. 5 and a 2, 5 and a 2. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be here. 5. Do we have all the 2s? Let me count. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 2. Okay. Alright. One, 7, 3. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this first row. For the numbers, so 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 3, 7. Need to wait. 1, 3, and a 7. These 3. So 1 box left in this big square for the number. I believe the 9 is missing here. We have a 9 in this row, yes. So no 9 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 should be here. 9. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 9. And let me continue with the 4. We have a 4 here. Now we have a 4 here. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 7. So 4. Okay, I cannot continue with the 4 now. 173. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and a 5. 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left. The 7 and the 3. Let me mark those. 7 and 3. Okay. Here we have a pair. 7 and 3. 7 and the 3. Okay. So what is the missing number here? The 4 is missing. Okay. The 4 is missing here. How about here? The 1, 7, and the 3 again. 1, 7, and the 3. Need to wait. 7 and the 3. We have a pair. These two numbers, the missing numbers here are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and the 3, 7 and the 3. Here, 7 and a 3. We have a pair here. This is also 7 and a 3. So these three numbers should be 4, 5, and the 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 7 and the 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. This box should be a 7. This should be also a pair, 7 and a 3. Now we have a 7 there, so this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 4 there. No 7 here. 7 should be here, and a 4 it goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. 2 numbers left. The final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow, I'm pleased with the time. So this is not really a 4 stars. So I think the publisher has switched these two puzzles. So 60 minutes. Well, let me give this a 2 stars. Not 4 stars, not 3 stars. And I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and before I leave, I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern, maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop for collecting those data, and I will share you with a Excel sheets with my data. Yes, we have here the 623, 623, 251, 251, and the 862, 862. Here we have the 2 as a triple pair, and the 6, 2 pairs, 1 pair of the 6s, and a triple pair of the 2s. Yes! Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles left. The binary puzzle, the killer Sudoku, and the tectonic one. Until then, bye bye for now.